Good morning, dear children. In social class, we are going to see another topic, and it's about the food we eat. So, I hope you remember the previous things that we learned about the cities' names and the capital cities, and about the transportation and all the climatic conditions, isn't it? And also, we learned about some landforms. Do you remember those things? Landforms. Can you think and tell me the names of the landforms you studied earlier? Yes. What are they? What are the landforms? We have 4 landforms. And they are mountain, plain, plateaus and deserts. Okay, ma? And also the climatic conditions about we learned. In some places it is cold and some places they have a hot season and also wet climate. So these are the climatic conditions and the landforms that we learned maybe I think in lesson 5. Okay, ma? So why we are thinking about the landforms now? The food we eat, where this food are being grown. We are going to see how this food are grown and in which places. We don't get all the food in the same place. In our place, we get mostly farmers, they plant rice and then what else? Ragi we get and ragi, some pulses and grains we get. We don't get all the grains and the food items or the vegetables in our place. Okay. So all the places have the specific things grown in that place. For example, in Jammu and Kashmir, apples, cherries, and then saffron is grown there. And in Punjab, Haryana, those places it's mostly wheat and mustard. The plant pandranga, cultivate that. Then in Uttar Pradesh, sugarcane, rice, and then mangoes. Okay, then in Bihar, again mangoes are there, lychee, fruit, and then rice. Maharashtra, oranges, jowar and bajra, it is grown there. Okay, ma? So here, since we are going to see about the food that we are eat, it combines with the climatic conditions found there. The climate is a thing that decides what food is grown there. Climate is the climatic conditions will decide what type of food can be grown there அப்படின்றது. இப்போ நமக்கு கிளைமேட்ல என்ன இந்த கிளைமேட்டிக் கண்டிஷன்ல இங்க சவுத் சைட்ல நம்மளுடைய பிளேஸ்ல என்ன க்ரோ பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்றது நம்மளுடைய அதுதான் நம்ம பண்ண முடியும். ஸோ இன் ஈச் பிளேஸ்ல கண்ட்ரீஸ்ல பாத்தீங்கன்னா அந்தந்த கிளைமேட்டிக் கண்டிஷன்ஸ்க்கு ஏத்த மாதிரி தான் தே கேன் க்ரோ ஃபுட்ஸ் தேர். சரியா? ஸோ பீப்புள் லிவிங் இன் டிஃப்ரெண்ட் பார்ட்ஸ் of our country eat different food grains. அவங்க ஒரே சைடுல இருக்கிறவங்க எல்லாம் ஒரே food eat பண்ண மாட்டோம் இல்லையா? So for example, people living in the north sideல பாத்தீங்கன்னா they mostly eat wheat. அப்படியே எக்ஸ்ட்ரீம் south side பாத்தீங்கன்னா we eat rice. நமக்கு rice தான் நம்ம ஜாஸ்தியா நம்ம சாப்பிட்டுக்கோம். சரியா? So coming to the pulses, vegetables and the fruits, we are going to see about the pulses, vegetables and fruits. Okay, so we eat different kinds of pulses. Here pulses na enna par. Okay ma? Pulses are usually very good for our health. And kidney beans, you must have seen these beans, soya beans, then dal, urdu, then green gram, black gram, ulundu, sirubaira. Neenga idha pathina ungalku theriyum. Okay, these are called as pulses. So I want you all to learn these names of the pulses. Chickpea na, it is also like the green gram la irukakudiyadhu, the chickpea. Okay ma? So kidney beans you all know, and then urdu you all know, kadalai, urudal, kadalai paruppu, then soya beans, then green gram and bengal gram. These are the pulses, and you know these all are very important and very good for our health. Then coming to vegetables, we get different vegetables, okay, and fruits in different seasons. Usually nowadays we get everything. நம்ம எந்த சீசன்ல இருந்தாலும் we get most of the fruits we get. So vegetables such as green beans and pumpkin. The green beans தான் தெரியும் உங்களுக்கு இல்ல, beans and the pumpkin தான் தெரியும் உங்களுக்கு. So these type of foods we usually get everywhere during the summer season la நமக்கு ரொம்ப கிடைக்கும். Then cabbage, peas are available in winter. Mostly fruits such as mangoes, cherries and watermelons are also available during summer season. Okay, and then even grapes and oranges available. So most of the fruits and vegetables are available all the time. நமக்கு எப்போ பார்த்தாலும் எப்போனாலும் நம்ம ஃப்ரூட்ஸ்லாம் வாங்கிக்கலாம் அப்படின்ற மாதிரி நம்ம nowadays the situations are such. Then coming to the spices and the oil seeds, many kinds of oils and spices are used in India for cooking. We use oil for cooking, isn't it? Then from where we get all this oil? We get from the seeds of coconut, and then from mustard, and then even from the groundnut peanut, malata enna solluvolla. So from these seeds we get oil. And then coming to spices are many varieties are there. Spices are grown everywhere throughout India. They are the one which make our food tasty. பாத்தீங்களா இந்த ஸ்பைசஸ் பாத்தீங்கன்னா தெரியும், இந்த காரம் அந்த இந்த பிக்சர்ஸ் பார்த்தோன்னா உங்களுக்கு தெரியும். ஓகேயா, சின்னமம், பட்டை, மஞ்சள், அப்புறம் பெப்பர், அந்த மிளகு, red chili, all this comes under the category of spices. Okay, they make the food colorful and gives taste to our food. So I want you all to learn the names of pulses and the spices also. So mostly you will be knowing the names of the fruits and the vegetables. So here some may not be knowing the names of some pulses and spices. Pulses na enna அப்படின்றத பார்த்தோம். Even the spices na இதுதான் spices. Okay, so learn all those names of pulses and the names of spices. I'll give you. Okay, next about the sweet dishes. We make different types of sweets. Mostly we make payasam, isn't it? In our place payasam is very famous, and even for all the special occasions we make payasam at home. And then in many places, like how we make payasam, in all some other places they make rasagola, and then firni, and then kot pita. Some names are given. They make halwa, and even our place we get halwa. So these are the sweet dishes that we make. Every state has its own special sweets. Here we have payasam, isn't it? Payasam is the main special sweet we make in our place. And then when you go to Tirunelveli, they say they make alva. So like that, in different state they have their own special sweets. Okay, so there are some sweets which are more made on special occasions, like during the festivals and during the weddings. And during all any special occasions, we make special sweets for that. That is special thing. Okay, so now how do we get all this food? நமக்கு we know that in our place, நம்ம பிளேஸ்ல வந்து வெறும் ரைஸ் அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு சில டைப்ஸ் ஆஃப் ஃபுட் தான் நம்ம க்ரோ பண்றோம். நம்மளால பண்ண முடியுது. We don't grow all the fruits or the vegetables or anything. நம்ம இங்க கிடையாது. But we get everything. எல்லாமே நமக்கு கிடைக்குது. How do we get all those things? Yes, it is all because of transportation. Transportation, it is making us easier. நம்மளுக்கு இப்போ பெங்களூர்ல பாத்தீங்கன்னா we get plenty of tomatoes. அங்க ரொம்ப தக்காளி இருக்கும் அப்படின்வாங்க. From there only we get அந்த transport. நம்ம அங்க இருந்து நம்மளுக்கு என்ன கிடைக்குது? நிறைய கிடைக்குது. இந்த apples are grown there. அந்த அங்குள்ள climatic conditions வந்து அங்க எப்படி இருக்குமோ அதுக்கு ஏத்த மாதிரி இருக்கக்கூடிய இடங்கள்ல விளையக்கூடிய fruits and vegetables we get in our place. நம்ம பிளேஸ்ல இல்லாதது நம்மளுக்கு கிடைக்குது. So all this we get is because of the transport. அங்க இருந்து இங்க வரக்கூடிய அந்த டிரான்ஸ்போர்ட்டேஷனால தான் நம்மளுக்கு கிடைக்குது. சரியா? So we have to be thankful. இது ஏன்னா நமக்கு இந்தியா it is being developed. இன்னைக்கு முன்னாடிலாம் in olden days it's not like that. They get rare fruit. அவங்க ஊர்ல என்ன what they are cultivating and what they are growing there, they eat that. அவங்களால அதான் சாப்பிட்டுட்டு இருந்தாங்க. They don't know everything like how we eat now. நம்மளுக்கு இப்ப கிடைக்கிற மாதிரி those days people didn't get all the food. But we are very lucky, இல்ல? So now since our country is being developed in transportation, we get everything. எல்லா airplaneல இருந்து கூட things எல்லாம் வருது. From foreign countries also we get everything. And then from through train, அப்புறம் the truck. So இதெல்லாம் transportation, means of transport that helps us in getting all this food. நமக்கு எந்த பிளேஸ்ல இருந்தாலும் அந்த பிளேஸ்ல இருந்து நம்ம பிளேஸுக்கு from one place to the other place we get. அதெல்லாம் கொண்டு வந்து they bring all this fruits and the vegetables, whatever the food items, அதெல்லாம் நம்மளுக்கு கிடைக்குது. So we need to be thankful for the transportation people, isn't it? So this is how, and these are the things that we eat. These are the food that we eat. So mainly I want you all to learn the names of the pulses and the spices names, and know that about, and also about how the oils are being manufactured. Oil நம்ம எந்தெந்த சீட்ல இருந்து நம்ம எடுக்கிறோம், because we use oil எல்லாம் for cooking. So you should know how, from where we are getting oil, அப்புறம் how these things are being provided to us, நம்மளுக்கு எப்படி இதெல்லாம் கிடைக்குது அப்படின்றது you all have to know this. Okay, and here coming to this food for all, I want to read this. Please watch this. It is given for us and it is a comic we are going to read. Okay, Pratik is mummy, I think mummy or sister, I don't know. Mummy, she is calling. Pratik, please help me set the table for lunch. Then the boy is telling, Ma, just give me 2 minutes. I am thinking of an idea for my project. So now he was thinking about what he has to do, supposed to do is for his project. And now it's cold. He opened the fridge and his mama is telling, food kept in the refrigerator remains fresh longer. Fresher. My favorite. Here again, my favorite. Take little at a time. You may not be able to finish everything. Since it is his favorite food, he wants to eat everything. But his mama, she is telling, take little at a time and then you can eat everything. We have some food left over. Abdina mama is telling. Then I'll make a roll and eat it later. Abdina father is telling. And then at the wedding, in the evening, they are going to the wedding party, wedding function. And there is so much food left. What should we do? Apanga wedding, usually in wedding places, function we get plenty of food. So here we should call the India Food Banking Network. They collect and give food to the people who need it. Aprina father is telling. Since they have plenty of food left over, they are planning to call the food banking network so that they could come and collect the food and give it to the people, those who are in need. Pratik, why don't you make a project on not wasting food? Mummy is telling. So actually he was in an idea of making a project. So now mummy, she is telling Pratik, why don't you make a project entitled not how we should stop wasting our food, how we should not. So she is asking to make that project. So that is a good idea, mummy. I will call it Stop Food Wastage. And so now Pratik is telling, okay, that is a good idea that you have given me. I'll do that. He started doing that. So for what purpose they have given this comic? We as a children, small children, usually we people, bigger people, we waste food. When we don't want to eat some food, when we don't like one food, we used to throw it in the dustbin. Usually the small children, they do. When they bring their lunch, they doesn't want to eat. They used to sit there in front of the food, and sometimes they used to cry. The food done. So we easily throw it in the dustbin. That is very bad habit. Okay. So we always have to think the people, those who don't have food, they starve. They don't get even one idli. Namakku kedaikira or idli or whatever it is, a piece of biscuit kuda nikki kedaikama irukakodiya kashtapadra pillenga. Plenty of children are there, plenty of people are there without food. So what the thing they want, the lesson they give it to us is, we should not waste our food. Whatever it is, if you don't want to eat that food, take little, konjama edutukonga, avladha vitidunga. So you can tell your mother, mama, I don't like this food, enakku na konjama eduthukren. That is enough. But don't waste taking it everything. Enakku ella kuduthuga, ella saaptruven appdi solittu saapdama thooki podradhu, that is bad habit. So you should not do that. Since you are a small children growing up, you should always keep it in your mind that you should never waste food. Mudinja saapdu, illiya vitadu. அது எல்லாத்தையும் வாங்கிக்கிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் தூக்கி போடுறது, that is not a good thing. So don't do that. Always have a thought that you should never waste your food. Okay, so think that people, those who are not having food, you should have that in mind. And then if you have that in your mind, you will never waste your food. Thank you, children. If you get time, you can go through and finish your book exercises and your classwork. Okay, thank you.